Hi everybody, I'm Andreea, and in today's video I'm going to show you a very simple, easy makeup that you would only need 2 brushes. This is the kind of makeup look that everybody can use if you think that you are not skilled with makeup. If you're a total beginner with makeup, you can do this look, like this look. It's something that you can create in the car, in the metro, like wherever you are. I've mostly used my fingers in this video because I feel like using a brush for most of you, it's more like for a professional. So I've only used 2 brushes, one for powder and one for bronzing powder, because I don't know how else I could possibly be applying those products. But other than that, fingers. In this video, I've partnered with By Terry, and I'm going to show you guys my favorite products from this brand. So I'd like to thank you, By Terry. Now, if you'd like to see how I've created this very simple, everyday, mistake-proof look, then please keep on watching. I've already applied this product. This is the Cellular Rose Brightening CC Serum, and this is a great color correct product, but it's also very brightening. It comes in 4 colors. I've got 3 in here. So this is in Immaculate Light, and then this is a light pink that you can use if your skin is light but it has a more yellowish tone. And then you can use this when you're tan. This looks beautiful in summer. This is in Sunny Flash. I've already applied it in here, but it was off the camera, so I'll apply it one more. This particular color, I like it more on the highest points of my face, like here, you see? I think it looks so pretty. On the chin, Cupid's bow. This is the perfect product to use, for example, if you're the kind of person that likes to apply some sort of makeup when you are working out, but you don't really want to make it look like you're wearing makeup. This is going to brighten up your skin and give you that healthy look. Now we're moving on with the star of this video. Recently, By Terry launched the Nude Expert Stick Foundation. And this is the easiest mistake-proof product you could ever use. Let me show you how it looks like. I don't know if you can tell, but this is actually 2 products in one. So you have in here, you have a highlighter, a very subtle highlighter. And then on this side, you have the actual foundation. Mixing this product together, you will have a beautiful foundation that is buildable and that's giving you a very blurry effect to the skin. On the other side, you have a sponge that you could use to spread this foundation with anywhere you are, and it's detachable, so you could just take it off and wash it. Now, the Nude Expert Duo Stick is available in 10 colors for now, and my color is actually 7 Vanilla Beige. I actually like to apply it by mixing both of the colors. Like so. And then with my fingers, I'm loving products that can be applied with the fingers. I've always been a fan. And this is such a beautiful natural effect. Not to mention that because of this size, you could just throw it in your bag, do your makeup in the train, at the red light. I used to do that a lot, actually. Don't forget to apply the foundation down your neck. For daytime, this is an excellent product. And as you saw, I've only applied a little bit and then I spread it with my finger. Like, you do not need much of this product. If I wouldn't film this video, if I would just do my makeup in front of the mirror for, leaving the house, this coverage is enough for me. Like, I'm not the kind of person that is looking for a perfect skin. I'm okay with this coverage. I think it looks great. I still have luminosity on my skin. However, just for the purpose of this video and to show you that it can have a little bit more coverage, I'm going to apply another layer. Just a little more. I never actually had sunspots until this year, and they're somewhere in here under my eyes. It's very annoying. I like it when my skin is just a tiny little bit darker. I think that my natural skin color is so light. Like I said, I'm using the 7 Vanilla Beige, but let me swatch for you all the 10 colors so you could just have an idea about how these look like. Alright guys, I'm gonna start with the lightest shade, which is one Fair Beige. And as you can see, it has good coverage. Next one is Neutral Beige, number 2. This is definitely a little bit more of a yellow tone foundation, so it's warmer than the first one. The next one is 2.5 Nude Light. Then we have number 3 Cream Beige, definitely warmer, more in a yellow undertone. This one is Rosy Beige. I mean, I don't know if the camera catches every single undertone. They're definitely light, but there's a difference in each and every one of these colors. This is more of a red undertone. This is 5 Peach Beige. Number 7 Vanilla Beige. 9 Honey Beige. The 9 is definitely more neutral than the 7. 7 has more of a yellow undertone. This is 10 Golden Sand. This is more like my color right now, like the color I have on my body. And the last one is 15 Golden Brown. And this is the darkest shade from the whole range. As you can see, these are super pigmented. They completely covered my skin, but they can be extremely natural, especially if you apply them with the other side, where's the highlighter. It becomes a super natural, radiant, very blurry effect to the skin. That's what I've noticed. Next thing that I'm going to use is the Nude Expert Stick Concealer. Again, another one of those products that's super easy to use. So you could just press in here, the product comes out, and it has very good coverage. Check it out. I'm using, by the way, number 3. And of course, I'm going to use my fingers, but more like dab it. Like, the way I like to apply the concealer is, you know, by dabbing it. By doing this kind of motion, you're just moving the concealer around. Most women have a little bit of redness right here, so you could apply some concealer in there. And don't forget, you know, concealer can be used under the eyes, but it can also be used anywhere around your face, you know, where you need a little bit of coverage. Okay, it's now time to set everything in place, and I'm going to use their number 1 bestseller Hyaluronic Hydra Powder. This is a holy grail in any makeup artist's kit, because this is the kind of powder that's going to not look like you have any powder. I recommend this if you have dry or normal skin type. I wouldn't really use it if you have oily skin. It's just my opinion. It's going to set the makeup and sort of fill in your fine lines. This is the only step where I actually need a brush. The powder looks like this. It's a silica powder. You want to use a very, very small amount. So what I like to do, I press the powder into the bristles. I make sure the product didn't crease, and I just dab it. Your skin is going to still look like skin after this. I remember when I first did a famous model here in Paris, when I got to set her makeup with powder, she's like, can I give you my powder? And I was like, it's okay, I have my powder. And she's like, no, I really want you to use mine. And I was sort of like thinking, whatever. Then she gave me this powder, and I loved it on her. I went and bought it, and since then, it's not missing from my kit. I actually have a travel size that's super cute. Let me show you. Check out how cute this is. You have the powder in here, and then on top, this is so cute, guys. Look at this little sponge. There's a tiny little sponge. I love this. This powder is great, especially for under the eyes. Next, I'm going to use bronzer, and I'll use the Compact Expert Dual Powder in Beige Nude. You got the powder right here, the bronzing powder, and then in the middle, you actually have a highlighter. I'm only going to use the bronzing powder, you know, the usual place, under my cheekbone, a little bit on the forehead. I like to always apply my bronzer on the brow bone. You know, when I do videos, I'm like, but honestly, like, for real, I'm more like, I guess that's why I love to film, because I sit down, I enjoy. For the eyes, I'm not going to do anything too complicated, just because I feel like most women just prefer mascara, and I'm the kind of person that would just apply my mascara, do my eyebrows, and I'm good to go. But some women feel, and I get this a lot, like I feel empty without my eyeliner or without my black kohl. So I'm just going to apply at the base of my lashes the By Terry Crayon Kohl Terribly. This is in black, it's waterproof. It glides like a dream. It's so easy to use, and it comes with a sharpener. So I'm just gonna apply this kohl at the base of my lashes. You want to use something that's waterproof for everyday use, because I feel like it just holds better, and I don't get it on, you know, my brow bone. There are some products that would do that, so this one doesn't transfer on me. I like to extend a little bit the product. It gives a little bit more of an elongated shape. Again, this step is totally like not necessary, but it's for those of you that feel the need of having something on your eyes. You could totally use a brown pencil and then smudge it with your fingers, like that is fine as well. What I also like to do is just apply it between my eyelashes. My biggest challenge with the eyeliner is with the wing, of course. One usually goes a little bit more like up, and the other one goes more like this, because the eyes are not even either. It's very hard for me to make it look exactly the same. This is a very, very black pencil. Mascara, Lash Expert Twist Brush. And what's cool about this mascara is that here's how the original brush looks like, okay? And you can use it exactly like that if you're looking for a very natural kind of lash, like more for daytime, you don't want anything too much. But then it has this trick in here, and you twist it, and the brush becomes this shape, and this is more like for volume. Of course I'm going to use the brush for volume. I mean, give me all the mascara. I showed you guys this mascara on Instagram, and you were very intrigued. I can't get over how black this pencil is that I've just used. I wanted to use a blush, a creamy blush actually, but I know that a lot of you don't really use blush. You're more like either blush nor bronzing powder. So I chose bronzing powder because it's just something that everybody likes. Another bestseller from By Terry is this Balm de Rose. I've got such good memories about this product. I use it before I start the makeup. Usually with my clients, I first apply this because by the time I get to the lips, they're super hydrated, and whatever lipstick I'm going to use, it's gonna look good, you know? If I'm with a client, I would apply it with a brush, but for me, fingers. Because I already have pigmented lips, for me, it's enough to apply just the balm. But for those of you who are looking for more color, let me show you this By Terry Rouge Expert Click Stick. And this is the same concept as with the concealer. I like this shape, especially for the lips, because you don't need a lip liner. This has like the perfect shape for you to create a very nice clean contour of the lips. I'm using the lipstick in number 3. This is very similar to my lip color. If you guys like my lip color, check out this lipstick. It's like wearing nothing. I know I've applied first the lip balm, so you cannot really tell the finish of this lipstick, but it's a semi-matte, very comfortable on the lips. For those of you who are looking for just a little bit of natural glow, here's a trick that I do for my clients. I would take a little bit of this balm, warm it up on the back of my hand, and then with these two fingers, I'm applying it on the highest points of my face. And this is the expensive glow, guys. Okay, I've contoured my eyebrows off the camera. And this is the final look, guys. I definitely wanted the focus to be on the skin, on a very natural, very easy to create kind of base. The lipstick color is something that so many people can pull off. If you have fair, light, or medium skin tone, you're gonna love this lipstick. And it's super chic and elegant. I mean, By Terry is all about being chic and elegant. It's all about, you know, the Parisian look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget that in the description box, you've got all the products that I've mentioned in this video, so it's going to be easy for you to find them. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done it already, and make sure you click on the ring bell button so you get notified whenever I'm posting a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you By Terry for partnering with me in this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!